Did you know that exercising can actually change your body and brain in ways you might not expect? It's not just about getting fit or building muscles. Exercise offers powerful benefits that reach deep into your overall health and well-being. If you're just starting out on your exercise journey, here's why those first steps are so worth it. From improved mood to stronger memory, let's break down exactly how moving your body can improve both your physical health and mental sharpness. So what do beginners gain from exercise? Starting to exercise can be challenging, but the rewards are quick to follow. After your first few sessions, your muscles start to build strength and your body begins to adapt. Even if you start with just a few minutes a day, each workout helps your muscles grow and builds your endurance. Don't worry if you feel sore. Those tiny muscle tears are actually a sign of growth and they heal stronger every time. Exercise also works wonders for your heart. By getting your blood pumping, you're making your heart stronger and improving your circulation. Even moderate exercises like walking around your home or outside can improve heart health, reducing your risk of things like high blood pressure and diabetes. And the great news: just a little movement each day can have long-lasting effects on your body's strength and resilience. Next, what does exercise do for your brain? You might be surprised to learn that exercise has huge benefits for your brain. Research from Harvard shows that people who regularly exercise have more active brain regions for memory and thinking than people who don't. Beginners take note, even a few months of consistent exercise can actually increase the size of certain parts of your brain, especially areas linked to memory and problem solving. So why does this happen? Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, bringing it more oxygen and nutrients that help it perform better. Over time, these improvements can make everyday tasks feel easier and boost your ability to focus. You don't need to do high-intensity workouts to see these benefits either. Activities like brisk walking, swimming, or at-home workouts are all great for boosting brain health. With that in mind, how can exercise help with mood, sleep, and stress then? Starting an exercise routine can also make a big difference in how you feel emotionally. Exercise releases endorphins, or feel-good hormones, which naturally lifts your mood and reduces stress. Studies show that regular physical activity can help ease anxiety and boost feelings of happiness. And for beginners, this doesn't mean running a marathon. Even a 10-minute walk can give you a mental lift and help lower stress levels. Plus, exercise is a great way to improve your sleep. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, moving your body can help. When you exercise, your body warms up, and as it cools down post-workout, it signals your body to prepare for rest, leading to deeper and more refreshing sleep. Better sleep, less stress, and a happier mood, what's not to love? Lastly, what are the long-term brain benefits of exercising? Starting a new exercise habit isn't just about the benefits you feel today, it's an investment in your future self. With regular exercise, you're helping to protect your brain against age-related decline. Studies have shown that over time, exercise helps maintain cognitive skills like planning, attention, and problem solving, which are all crucial for staying mentally sharp as you age. And if you're wondering about the best exercises for long-term brain health, it doesn't have to be intense. Dr. Scott McGinnis from Harvard suggests activities like walking or Tai Chi. These are gentle but effective ways to keep your body and brain strong. Aim to work out about 4 days a week, 30 minutes at a time. If that sounds like a lot, start with just 5 to 10 minutes each day and gradually build up. The key is to make exercise a habit you enjoy and can stick with over time. Starting an exercise routine can feel challenging, but remember that each step you take is helping you become healthier and stronger. You're not only improving your body's strength and endurance, but you're also boosting your mood, enhancing your memory, and setting yourself up for a sharper mind in the years to come. So whether you're heading out for a walk, trying a dance class, or doing some gentle stretching, every move counts. Embrace the journey. You're building a healthier, happier you. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out the next video here for even more great content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you again soon.